Hello, welcome to Balasridhar Kamaraj Gadda's versatile channel. Hope that all is well. Take care of your health. So, because of this pandemic situation, you must be alert. Wear masks and use sanitizers. Thank you very much. I hope that all is well. So, in the last class, we discussed about the percentage of composition. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about how we will calculate minimum molecular weight of a substance. Minimum molecular mass of a compound. So, suppose a percentage of the element is given, we are going to calculate the minimum molecular mass of a compound. So, from the percentage composition, if you reshuffle, we will get the same. So, already you know that percentage of an element is equals to total mass of the element, or here we can take minimum molecular mass of the element. Total mass of the element by molecular mass of compound. So, to calculate this, what you are going to find minimum molecular mass or molecular mass. If you take minimum, here also minimum mass of the element. So, what will get minimum molecular mass of a compound. Means I am bringing this molecule by this side. So what we get, instead of total I am taking minimum mass of the element or atomic mass of the given element. Atomic mass of a given element by percentage. It is mass of the percentage of the element in this compound. Mass percentage of the element in compound. Sorry, here I am able to write into 100 in compound into 100. Just I am reshuffling this molecular mass here and percentage of the element. That's all. So instead of total, I am taking the minimum molecular mass. So minimum molecular mass of a compound is equals to atomic mass of a given element by mass percentage of the element in the compound into 100. So generally in the problems they will give the data. So basing on the data, we are going to do the problems. So what is the data given? Basing on that, we are going to do the problems. So let us take one problem to understand the concepts clearly. The compound contains 3.2 percentage of oxygen. The minimum molecular mass of the compound. Question is asked. So, the compound contains 3.2 percentage of oxygen. So, the minimum molecular mass of the compound. Question is asked. So, first of all, solution. What is the given data? You have to write. Percentage of oxygen. How much given? 3.2%. This is okay. What you have to find? Minimum molecular mass. That is X or M. Or you can write a triple M. That is X. Now Still, what is the data? Atomic weight of the given element. I think you know atomic weight of oxygen. Atomic weight of oxygen is equals to 16. Now, how will do this? Apply the formula. Minimum molecular mass, triple M. You can write it as triple M is equals to atomic mass of the element 16 by, so this is minimum molecular mass equals to 16 by mass percentage of the element. What is the mass percentage? 3.2 into 100. So what will get now here? This will goes 16 once 16 0.2. So 100 by 0.2 can be written as 1000 by 2. So 1000 by 2 is nothing but 500. So 500 is the minimum molecular mass of the compound. Like this, you can calculate the minimum molecular mass. So 16 by 3.2, 0.2, 2 by 10, 1000 by 2, that is 5. So what is answer? MMM of a compound is, taken grams are 500. Let us go to the one more problem. Hope that you understand this. 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Let us take the problem. Metal sulfide which is responsible, MS, which is responsible for decoloration of paints. Decoloration of paints contains 13.3% sulfur. Contains 13.3% sulfur by mass. Identify identify the metal present in the sulfide. This is a question. So a metal sulfide which is responsible for decoloration of paints contains 13.3% of sulfur by mass. Identify the metal present in the sulfide. Let us take the first given data. What is the given data? Excuse me. Percentage of sulfur is given as 13.3. Okay. You have to find. So let the mass of metal is equals to X. You know mass of the sulfur. What is the mass of the sulfur? 32. So minimum molecular mass is 32 plus X. Minimum molecular mass is equals to 32 plus X. Next, what is given in the data? That's all. So what is the formula? Minimum molecular mass is equals to atomic mass of the given element by mass percentage into 100. Atomic mass of element by mass percentage of element into 100. Now what is the minimum molecular mass? You have to take as 32 plus X is equals to, so here atomic mass of the element, what is the atomic mass of the element is 32. Mass percentage, it is given as 13.3 into 100. Hope that you understand that step. 32 plus X is equals to, 32 plus X is minimum molecular mass, 32 is the atomic mass of the element, mass percentage is 13.3 into 100. Now what we get, let us see here. So 13.3 into bring this here, so 32 plus X into 13.3 is equals to 32 into 100. So 32 into 13.3. So what will get 32 into 13.3? 32 into 13.3 plus 13.3x is equals to 3200. Yes, 32 into 13.3 plus 13.3 into x is equals to 3200. If you do this multiplication, you will get around 425.6 plus 13.3x is equals to 3200. So 13.3x is equals to 3200 minus 425.6. This will get approximately 2774.40. So if you do it, x is equals to 2774.40 by 13.3. So approximately we will get value as 208.60. So which is nearly equal to the Bismuth. So the element is called as Bismuth, which is used in the mainly in the paints and all these things. Okay. Hope that you understand this concept. Do well and practice the things. If you got any doubts, you can post me on WhatsApp. Up to here enough today class. Thank you. Thank you very much.